how to find the MAC addresses or IP addresses on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, you will see click on Wi-Fi. After click on Wi-Fi, click on the settings icon. After click on Wi-Fi settings icon, scroll and click on View More. After click on View More, scroll down to and you will see MAC addresses and IP addresses here. If you want to find MAC addresses and IP addresses, so you will see. If you want to copy, so just click and hold on MAC address and IP address. You will see MAC address and IP address is copy. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can find the MAC addresses or IP addresses on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.